Hey everyone, welcome back to the Draw With Me series. Today we're diving into something super exciting, stylization. From the old age to today's Instagram art scene, every artist has a distinct style. Think about the iconic names like Van Gogh or Leonardo da Vinci. Their art is instantly recognizable, and their unique techniques are what set them apart. Fast forward to today, and I have got many popular artists like Sam Does Art or Cox. Artist I know, like the name was Reno Tuna, yes, and a lot more. With their unique style to bringing their character to life. I've always admired how personal style shapes an artist's work, and today I'm taking my first steps in developing my own style. So, in this video is all about the journey. As you can already see in the first page, I'm doing something a bit different. Instead of sketching to my usual approach, I decided to experiment by blending the hair and skin tones together. Then using an eraser, I added some highlights. After that, I went in and deepened the shadows to give the drawing more dimension. I mainly use the Graphgear pencil to darkening up the shadowy part and leave the other area untouched. Now, this is just the beginning. Since it's my first attempt to stylization, I wanted to keep practicing and refining the process. For the next page, I stuck to the same method. First, I added the shadows and smudged them with the tissue paper and finished off with the darker shading to bring everything together. I have to say I'm really liking how this side profile sketch turned out. I went lighter on the back part of the hair, and honestly, I think it looks way cooler that way. What do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. I did 4 sketches today, but I still feel like there's something missing. So I'm not quite there yet. But hey, that's all the part of the process, right? I'll keep going and hopefully tomorrow's sketch will be even better. Today I'm stepping it up with a larger scale and continuing with the method I've been practicing. We might recognize a similar style elsewhere, but I swear I'm not copying anyone. It's still a work in progress, but I'm still excited to see where it goes once I fully master my own style. That's it for today's sketch. I'm pretty happy with it, how it turned it out, and I can't wait to keep improving. After all, practicing is the key. Right? Well, enjoy the reveal, and if you like the process, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more art adventure. Also, feel free to drop any suggestions or thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, bye bye.